Hello, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Got an unboxing today of a 1969 Cougar Eliminator from AMT Ertl. Skill level 2, 125 scale kit. And 6960 is this particular kit number. This kit came out in 1991. And I took the cellophane off of it many years ago. It has Eliminator graphics, rear deck spoiler, 302 V8, photo of actual Boss 302 engine, and detailed interior. Go ahead and get right into this one today. As always, I hope you're having a great day. Whoa! Wow! Well, alright. Apparently I started painting this one. And I stopped because I got some major runs in it and just walked away from it. I remember this now. Oh my goodness. Let's see if the hood is stuck to it or not. No, it's been in there so long. I don't want to mess it up here. No, I'm going to have to let it soak. But boy, that would have been a really cool color. I don't even remember what color that was. Yeah. Oh, the hood's taped down. Look at that. Whoa, boy, guys! I tell you, it's been so long. Let's see if I can peel the tape off without doing any damage. Oh yeah. I don't know why I did that. So we'll throw that out. So there's the hood. That was going to be a sweet color, almost like a raspberry color. That would have been cool. Now I'm going to have to strip it all down and figure out a different color for it. That's really sharp. Alrighty, decent thickness on the body. I guess I was impressed with it enough to where I was going to build it. And here's the glass. Again, just like the Mustang from the other day, this glass has a section missing. I don't know if that's intentional or what. There we go. We'll just set that there. The model originally was molded in white. Here's the dashboard. Decent details on there. You can definitely paint that up to look sharp. Nice interior body. Here's the bucket seats for the front and the back of the bucket seats with decent detail. Here's the exhaust system and some suspension parts. Rear end with the molded in drive shaft. The front spoiler and the rear spoiler. Battery and the two sides for the spoiler. Radiator core support. Leaf springs, shock absorbers, side mirrors, and it's not a drive shaft, that's your steering wheel. It's the shaft that you use to drive, but it's the steering wheel. And here we have wheel inserts and the transmission cross member. Almost had a brain fart there. I couldn't remember what that was. Again, I couldn't talk right. Couldn't remember what that was called. And these are the shock tower supports. Usually you see them on Mustangs. I didn't realize that Cougars had it also. And it looks like two little spindles for the front wheels. Alright. Here's the chassis. Almost no detail on that, but it's there. Alright. Here's the painted firewall. Again, a lot of runs. I don't know if I didn't shake the paint enough or if I was just in a hurry and layered it on too heavy. You can see where it puddled up a little bit down there. Okay. Here is the chrome tree that is still sealed. And we have the front grille, which is really sharp looking. I think it goes Yeah, it goes that way. And the rear tail piece, rear grille with a little emblem in the middle. Side mirror inserts, a rear view mirror. Looks like an alternator. Maybe an oil filter. Nice looking air cleaner. I like the design on that. Nice valve covers. Here's the standard wheels. Those are really sharp looking. Shifter, but no handle on the top, and the handle's separate. That's interesting. Don't know that I've seen that before. Here's the decals. Pretty standard. A little fuzzy there. Illinois Cat 69 Cat and Cat 302. Looks like a Michigan plate. Pretty nice. Leave that there. Ertl blueprinter card. 4 skinny tires. Goodyears. Not hollow. No, they're solid. Nice and soft though. Clean up nice. I'll go ahead and leave them in the box. I have a metal axle in there. 1 metal axle. And then 2 little bits for the steering knuckles. Kingpins, whatever you want to call them. Another piece of the painted body. Little roll pan for the rear, I believe that is. And then the tail lights, the clear red for the tail lights. So, we have the instructions. Go ahead and put the chrome bits back in there. Here's there's another whole tree that was in the instructions. All the accessories for the engine. Here's your exhaust manifolds. Linkage for the transmission. That's kind of cool. What is that? 7-bladed fan. Very nice. Fan belt and pulley system. Clutch and brake pedal and gas and all that good stuff there. Starter. Windshield washer motor. Distributor. Ignition coil. And upper and lower pieces of the carburetor. That's kind of cool. Here's the instructions. With a nice write-up on the Boss 302 Cougar Eliminator by Mercury. I'll set you down real quick. And here are the instructions. Engine. Real detailed on the engine. Wheels and tires gets 1 section, slap them together. And then your suspension parts, rear end, interior work, prepping the body, removing that X part, which I already did apparently when I painted it, putting the interior into the body, a couple options for your hood. Again, this one has a cutout on the bottom, excuse me, that you can put an optional hood scoop on. I don't recall seeing the hood scoop in there just now though. Oh, it's already on there. Look at that, guys. The hood scoop is already on, but I did not cut the, oh yes I did. I did cut the bottom out too. I just didn't paint it because the tape went right there. That's funny. So we'll have to correct all that in the future. And here's the rear end. Final assemblies. And then some decal placement. So that's decent. I'm kind of looking forward to getting back into this one. I obviously totally forgot all about it. Like I said, I haven't seen it in many, many years. I don't know when I painted it. But the kit came out again. When was that? 1991. So it's been a little while. I don't know... I must have done this because of the paint color. I'm going to say I painted this in the 90s at one point, and then life got in the way and I forgot about it. So now's the time to pick back up where we left off. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Model Car Guy Rich out. I'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.